Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start mix program in a Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to turn this knob into the mix option. It's right here. Then we'll be able to adjust all of the settings on this panel. First one is the level of dry, and you can switch between iron dry, cupboard dry plus, and extra dry. Next is an option that allows you to enable or disable lights inside your drying machine. Then we can activate or deactivate alarm sound that will notify us that the program has finished. And there's a lower temperature. It's available for this program that we can activate. We can also program the hours, but in this case it's not available for this program. And last one is the timed finish. So when you click on it, you'll be able to set a time when this program should be finished. So for example, if you're starting work, you can say that put your laundry in and then finish it in exactly, for example, 8 hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.